Accidents happen, but when they do, smart designs can save lives. Today, we're going inside the crash science of airbags, helmets, and crumple zones, and seeing how engineers use physics to protect people every day. In any collision, the key is controlling one thing: force. Force is what causes injury, but we can reduce it using one clever trick. Increase the time it takes to stop. Slowing down the crash makes it safer. Let's see how. Helmets don't stop crashes, but they spread the force and give your head more time to stop. Less impact to your skull means less chance of injury. Airbags inflate in milliseconds, creating a cushion between you and the dashboard. They slow your body down gently, instead of letting it slam forward. So even though the car stops fast, you stop slowly thanks to the airbag. Longer stopping time means smaller force. Modern cars are designed to crush in just the right places. That crushed metal absorbs energy. Instead of the passengers taking all the force, the car does. Here's what you learned today. Engineers design safety features to reduce force. More stopping time means less force, which means safer people. Helmets, airbags, and crumple zones all protect us using this idea. So engineers don't just build things, they protect people too.